the video, should I vacuum my pool on filter or on waste? The question is, why not vacuum on backwash? I'm tired of filling up my pool every other day. Please note, I've been trying to clean my pool for 2 weeks now. It was very cloudy and dirty.
Okay, so let me explain real quick what the different functions are. When you vacuum on filter, the debris comes up through the pump, into the multi-port valve, into the filter, down, the water goes down through the filter and the debris gets left on the sand. And then it goes into these little fingers at the bottom, back up and then out, back to the pool or to the heater and then back to the pool. On waste, when you vacuum on waste, water comes out of the pool into the pump and goes directly out your backwash hose. If you try to vacuum on backwash, what you're doing is you're sending the water from the pump down through the filter, down into those fingers in the bottom of the filter, pushing the debris, the water up through the top of the filter, and then out the multi-port and out the backwash line. And what happens there is now you've deposited all of the debris and all the junk that you vacuumed up into the bottom of the filter, into the little fingers that have these teeny tiny microscopic slots, and now all of those are packed full of debris. So anytime you try to vacuum on backwash, you've just multiple times 100 the problem of getting the pool clean. In that case scenario, really the only thing you should do is shut it all off, take the filter completely apart, take all of those fingers off and clean the inside, because all of the debris that was in the pool is now packed into those fingers and your filter will never run properly again unless those are cleaned out. Because as soon as you put it back on filter, now it pushes water, tries to push water through those fingers, pushing all the debris directly back into the pool. So if you ever want to get rid of debris and you don't want it to go in the filter, you have to vacuum on waste only.